Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Ring doorbell. This one is a wired Ring doorbell. It's an older one, it's probably 5 years old, but it also has a battery in it. And eventually the battery has to be changed because it gets a trickle charge from being wired to the house, but that's not enough to cover all the video and everything that goes on with the Ring doorbell. So eventually that battery will need to be replaced. They give you a special Torx driver, but it's just a small Torx. I'll give you the size if I can in a second. There's a screw right, a Torx screw right underneath there. And I'm doing this with one hand on the camera and one hand on my driver. See if I can do this without dropping the driver. I'll probably drop the screw. Oh, there we go. Okay. Put that down. And I think it pulls that way. And there's your battery. The battery is the same as the batteries that are in the cameras, right? The regular old Ring battery. So in case you have lost your official Ring Torx driver, it's a T5. All right, I've got this little set here that goes to some really small ones, and that's, you can't really read it, but it says T5. Okay, so I'm going to top off these new batteries. If it's green and orange, that means it's charging. When it goes to solid green, that means it's fully charged. These were probably 80 or 90% charged when I bought them, so I'll just top them off.